Welcome to our channel. If you received a Bank of America payroll card from your employer and want to activate it using the mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download the Bank of America mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it. Step 2. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone. Step 3. If you already have a Bank of America online banking account, log in using your username and password. If not, select the option to enroll or create a new account. Step 4. Follow the prompts to link your payroll card to your mobile app account by entering your card number and other required information. Step 5. Once your payroll card is linked, navigate to the Cards section or Manage Cards option in the app menu. Step 6. Select your payroll card from the list of available cards. Step 7. Look for the Activate Card button or option and tap on it. Step 8. Verify your identity by entering a one-time password sent to your registered phone number or email address. Step 9. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Step 10. Create a PIN for your payroll card if required and confirm it by entering it a second time. Step 11. Once activated, your Bank of America payroll card is ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and direct deposits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.